Hello, my Crunchy Fat Clean friends. I want to talk to you about a company that I really like. It's called Repurposed. They sell products that are made from recycled materials. So anything that I can do to lessen my carbon footprint, I am all about. I love their trash bags because they're actually compostable as well. So less plastic in the landfill. That's amazing and awesome. Toilet paper, kitchen paper, they have lots of products that are made from recycled materials. Now, many states in the country do not offer plastic bags when you go grocery shopping anymore because they're lessening the plastic bag usage. So you have to bring your own bags in. But if you have to buy plastic bags for your garbage cans, you might as well buy a plastic bag that's compostable and made from recycled materials. Use my link.
Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. So feel free to comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think, or if you have any questions, or what else do you want to know about eco cleaning. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, love, follow along on my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, my website, TikTok, Clapper, and Instagram. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Stay crunchy, fat, clean.